Hi, I'm Paul Jelly, and I'm in a factory in Guangdong in China where they produce the famous face masks. And this one is a 3-ply with the elasticated ear. And they have 3 different kinds of layers. The first layer is make it comfortable on the face. The second layer, and the most important layer, is the one in the middle. Let me just the third layer in the middle, this is the most important. This layer is waterproof, so it stops any infectious water coming through, as you can see. Nope. As you can see, it's there. The masks come in a few colours, very comfortable to wear. This factory also produces this kind of mask. Like this. And the thing with this mask is you put the protective thing in between and then you just put this in a wash and you're good to go. Been for a walk around the factory and there's a lot of antiseptic, UV lights, all the cleanliness to produce these masks safely. So I'm Paul Jelly. If you want to know more, get in contact with me, links below, and let's get the world safe with some face masks. Okay, I'm in the disinfectant room. This is where the employees come in and leave their shoes and coats and outdoor things here. They put any bags or anything in the cupboards, and then they come over to this machine. This is the disinfectant machine, so when they go in with the overall gown, they're disinfected into the main work area. So the whole factory is disinfected and to a government standard. So let's go through to the factory. Okay, I'm here with raw materials. This is the front bit. This one is the comfortable bit to make it comfortable for you to wear. And then this is the special one, the non-woven special material for all the 3 plies. And of course we have the wire for the nose bit. So production is coming on. It's a bit noisy over there, but everybody's working hard and it's day and night. Everybody's working hard day and night to get production of these masks. And it's not just here, it's in other locations like this. So this is just one of them. There's many, many, many. China is cleaning up its manufacturing capabilities to get on top of this situation and getting the raw materials to continue to manufacture.